My name is Akshay Seth. I am a sales growth specialist. I train, coach, consult sales leaders and business owners through my sales mastery program. I also partner with business owners to help them implement tools which can help them in their sales growth. Today, I'm going to share with all of you a tool which many of you might be aware, and maybe some of you may not be aware also. The key here is that you need not be aware only, but also use this tool in all your sales conversations with your prospects and customers. The name of the tool is Problem Identification Chart. Primarily, this tool has three columns. Number one, problems, wherein you have to list all the potential problems you can solve for that particular client or prospect. The second column has impact, the various impacts these problems could have on your customer's business. And the third column is root causes. Now, let's say, take for example, your prospect is having a problem that his sales leads are less in number. There might be various impacts that it can have. So you may want to ask your prospect, but before you even go, do your homework and fill this before you even meet the sales prospect. When you go for a meeting, you can validate or maybe append in that particular list. Through this medium, I would sincerely request all of you to make it a habit of completing this as a homework before you even approach your prospect. These days, whenever we are approaching to meet a client, or maybe prior to COVID-19 days, we were using Google Maps. When we used to sit in the car, we used to punch in the place where we want to go. And then with the help of the map, we used to go in that direction. This tool will also work as a map to enter into your customer's world. If you will go prepared prospect wise, client wise, industry wise, it will help you to plan your questions much before the meeting. It will also help you to understand what is the current state of your customer. Remember, in my previous videos, I have spoken about that the value that we create as a salesperson is helping our customers or client change from their current state to their future state or desired state. And the value of our conversation lies in between current state and future state. Also remember that we should not be wasting time on problems which your product or service cannot solve. Maybe you may want to refer that client to an appropriate service provider, which might give a lot of value to you in the longer run. If any one of you wants this tool, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube channel, and I will not only share that with you happily, but will also answer any queries if you might have. I assure you from my experience that if you will start using this tool, it's an important step in the journey of becoming a sales master. If you need my support to become sales master, please connect with me on my phone. God bless you. Stay safe and stay blessed always. Thank you.